Sir, you eating? Oh my god! Oh my god! Get out there. What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Cabin Factory. It's a horror game. I don't know much about, but we're gonna get this. We're gonna have fun. So without further ado, let's do it. Oh shit, that's me. I look kinda fresh. I'm old as shit though.
Welcome to the Cabin Factory Corporation.
I don't like this.
At the Cabin Factory, we pride ourselves in creating the best hyper-realistic horror cabins for the movie and theme park industries.
She got some
Starting
cake.
today, you will be one of our cabin inspectors. Congratulations! Due to a recent legal dispute that falsely claims some of our cabins are haunted, it's now mandatory to inspect every cabin to ensure the safety of all users. It's important to highlight this claim is untrue and that we have had 0 cases of serious anomalies proven to be the corporation's fault. We're positive you will carry out these inspections thoroughly and professionally. From the whole Cabin Factory Corporation family, have a wonderful first day as a cabin inspector. By entering this elevator, you have accepted all the terms of your contract, which may be updated without notice.
Oh, really? Okay. Danger, clear. Opponent turn back immediately and press danger if say press clear. Okay. Shit. Wow. Would you look at that? You guys had to turn off the lights. That was freaking what you call it, bro. I'm sweating. We're going to speed run through this. But now I got upstairs. I got a flashlight. Hold on. Oh, tell me. I heard a bunch of noise. I'm scared. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Danger. 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 I was wrong. I got scared. Sweating. Scared. Okay. Are they all the same? Hello, come out too. Hello. Hello, sir. You're not supposed to be in here. What you in there? Danger. That's danger right there. What the hell is he doing there? It's not haunted.
The brutal fire that burned a family alive took place in an isolated cabin in the woods. 2 bodies were found calcinated on Sunday evening after 3 hikers noticed a huge column of smoke and immediately called 911. When emergency crews arrived just minutes later, the flames were still burning. According to our sources, a family of 4 lived in the cabin, a mother, a father, and their 2 children. The police confirmed the bodies found on the scene belonged to the parents. The 2 children, a 10-year-old little girl and her 6-year-old brother, have not yet been found in the surrounding areas. The chief of the fire department announced the search operation will continue and said she has hopes of finding them alive. It is still unclear how the parents got trapped inside their own cabin, but the police have found...
They look safe to me. It keeps getting worse and worse. I'm petrified. Oh, I heard footsteps. Something's moved. I'm dead. I died. What the hell moved? Sir? What are you eating? Oh my god! Oh my god! Get out there. That joint is haunted. So all these cabins are the same? I'm scared. I'm about to send them all like on their way. Yep. I heard something. I heard something. That shit is danger. And there's 8 of them? Alright, I'm gonna be a thug about it. Come out to play, Jay. So bro, you just chill there the entire... Do I have... I'm assuming it's safe. Looks like a safe cabin to me. Oh, there was danger? It's like an anomaly, whatever it's called. It's not that bad. But like... I don't know. I don't know, guys. Oh, it sent me back. Okay. Oh, nope. Nope. This shit is danger. What'd you guys say? Do I have to go up here? Oh, it's danger. Something moves from this danger. Oh yeah, that's danger. So why the hell is bro looking at me? This shouldn't even be a game. Ooh, I'm dead. That is danger. I don't know why I have to do this. Yep. Yep. Danger. Automatic. Are you serious? Send me back. Alright. Where? He's not there. Do I say this is safe? Do I say safe? I don't know what. Okay. Ooh! Ooh! Go out! Go out! Danger! 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 What a damn it! Guys? Oh, what the fuck? Ah! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? That shit is danger. That shit is danger. That shit is danger. What the hell was that, guys? Okay. I like, oh, yep. Hello. 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 Oof. That's danger. That is danger. We got 4 more to go through. 4 more guys. Hello. I think somebody was just standing right there. I don't know. I'm scared. I think that was somebody. I'm gonna have to like go through this again. Come on, guys. We're almost there. Yep. Nope, 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 nope. Do we say that's danger though? Do we say that's danger? Yeah. Two more, please. I feel like I heard huffing and puffing, but I think this is safe. I'm hoping. Alright. This is the last one. What are the odds that this one's clear? Ooh! Run! Run! Oh, this is not safe! This is not safe! This is not safe! What the fuck? Hello, guys. Is it, am I able to? That shit is haunted. The hell out of here. I did it. Throw me a party. Alright. Is that it, guys? Is that the end of the game? I did a quite dandy job. Wow. That was it, guys. Oh, they're killing that. Phew. I can't lie, that scared the hell out of me. But wait. Are we not done? Does this game ever end? I guess it's over. It's a nice little apartment. I actually wouldn't mind living in this type of apartment. This looks like the... That's it. So, thank you guys for watching. That was an interesting game. That was Cabin Factory. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And I'm going to see you next video. Peace. Yeah, I think this is it. Alright guys, maybe this game is not over. Now it's over. Peace!